these wheels with a passion.
What's living in these arches?
The state of it. Would you be happy with that? It smells like something's literally just falling out your arse. This black Mercedes CLA250e, which stands for electric, I usually see every month for a valet, and I want to play a little game because I've also got a nice A6 which is booked in, as you can see behind me. I want to play a game of guess the husband and wife's car. So Exhibit A, bumper scuff. Exhibit B, scratchy where you plug in the hybrid. And Exhibit C, wheel rash. A6, Exhibit A, more wheel rash. It's getting a lot more difficult for you now, isn't it, guys? Exhibit B, more wheel rash. Which one is the wife's car and which one is the husband's car? Oh yeah, nice cold temperature, that's what we like. I hate these wheels. I hate these wheels with a passion. Whoever made these wheels at Mercedes, I'll find you. Why can't we have wheels like that? Wheels I like, wheels I don't like. Smoky, they're black.
What do you mean by that?
We've got some chrome in there, the plastic arches, I mean, the lip on the arch on all these cars, it just... Happy place, I'm in a cave, I'm in a nice cave. Oh yeah, ooh, relaxing. Right, anyway, moving on.
Is your happy place a cave?
How am I going to tackle these then? I'm going to literally use the chemical to my best asset for this one. I'm going to let it sit on a little bit longer using Easy Car Care's wheel cleaner. It's a little bit stronger than usual. Let it sit, try and get in between and behind the spokes, into the barrels, wheel nuts, really good full coverage, face to tie, into the arches, full coverage. What's going to make your life so much easier is get yourself one of these pump sprayers. I've said it time and time again, if you're there a trigger sprayer, you're going to be spending 17 years trying to get these wheels clean. Have you seen this? I do this every month, right? Oh, I can got like an ecosystem living in these arches. The state of it. Wow. Whoever works at Mercedes who made these arches, I don't know who you are, but I have a particular set of skills and I will find you. And I'll have very strong words with you. But it's alright, I'm going to spray, let it lay, and rinse away. Don't be shy, use the wheel cleaner to your advantage. So I do read and reply to all the comments in all of the videos here on the channel. Now someone left in the comments saying, why haven't you got one of those like angled attachments so you can get behind sort of your arches and your wheels? So just for you guys, I have got one of those angled attachments. I'm going to use it just for you. Look at that. Angles. I'm just thinking there, I've got to use my wheel cleaner to get the bulk of the brake dust and dirt off. Then to do a deeper cleaning, we have to go in with my iron fallout remover. But I wonder if there's a product I could just do like all in one. Do you know what I mean? Up and all that. Definitely needing this for the carpet arches. I'll tell you that for free. Jam that, Peter K. I'll tell you that for free. Oh, put your money away. Now if you're fresh car valeting, or you're the local in and out 20-30 quid valeter on those wheels, that's all you've got time for. Right now, as a mobile car detailer slash valeter, okay, glorified valeter should I say, we're going to go and get amongst it. Easy Car Care's Aurora Iron Fallout Remover, i.e. fart spray. You ever had smelling salts? The detailer's smelling salts. In other videos, if you're new to the channel, okay, and you are using these turbo nozzles, I keep on saying it, but someone will do it. Do not go point blank range close to the arches because the paint's coming off. All right, be very, very careful using this. If you're not sure, just use your normal nozzles.
Do as I say, not as I do.
Do as I say, not as I do. Correct. Thank you, Elliot. Oh, that shit. Lovely.
So why do they actually call it Fallout, James?
Because it smells like something's literally just falling out your arse.
Okay.
Who needs a gym? Right, so what I want to do is spend that extra little bit of time, guys, getting that coverage on the whole car. Up to roughly the handles. Oh my God, James, don't do that. The car's not going to work. Fuck off, Ian. Auto perfect. I thought it was auto protect.
Is that in the pre-wash, is it?
Yeah, it's in the pre-wash, mate. Yeah.
Buddy Hill shooting at a pace soon as I pull up, dropping buckets. Yeah, like it's nothing. In the kitchen chopping onions. Yeah, tears falling down. Underdog is finally overcoming. Cause I'm dropping buckets. Yeah, like it's nothing. Earn my respect and burn a budget.
If my mitt fell on that sort of ground, it's getting binned. Like that. Right, fell on that, that's getting binned. Well, the great thing is, I also have a second mitt. Another one, if you can't get your little brushes, just get your fingers in. Finger the car. Get right between the flaps. The best tool are your fingers. Use them. I'm going to be really super honest, guys. I've used EZ Car Care's Elixir on this car, 5ml, 250ml of water, about 5 weeks ago. It's supposed to be sort of 6 to 8 weeks, depending on usage. Now it is working, the water still is coming off, but I would say that's failed, and that's after 4 weeks of daily usage. So I do like EZ products, but I'm being honest with you, Elixir, the durability probably isn't as good as a daily use than sort of 6 to 8 weeks, in my opinion. But then again, saying that, it's still working. Do you know what I mean? It's still slowly coming away. You won't be upset with that, would you?
No, you're not upset.
You'd be content with that. Got their Insta Gloss. I'm going to bang that on. Little top tip, I have put a little bit of Elixir in here as well, just to give that extra little bite. So we've got the gloss and the durability that we, well, should have the durability. I mean, look, that's after 50 seconds, nearly a minute. It's still working, but I'm going to top it up as I do with all my clients' cars. Adds that nice level of gloss and protection. Well, then again, the other point, the price point, it's like a tenner, and it will last you years. So I can understand why people say they're the best value for money car care brand. They'll do a good job, but you can't argue the price. And someone that does this day to day, the price matters.
Thought you was a threat. I do real life, do no tip for tat on the internet. When we do that, see I've been a threat.
Obviously, it's nothing like a ceramic coating because it's not. But as a spray-on, rinse-off, no dwell time sealant, that's fucking brilliant.
Are you the owner of this business?
Yes.
I have a better plan for your business.
What are you trying to sell to me?
Search engine optimization.
I'm fine, thank you.
We are also offering social media marketing, email marketing, and other services.
Oi, don't try and take my job.
I'm fine, thank you.
Don't you think someone goes, oh, I'm offering you SEO. Isn't the first thing you do search and see if they're top of SEO?
Yeah, exactly. I'm number one, top. Oh, would you need help with your SEO? No, mate. I'm winning.
Well, it's a crew cab, you see, just the front and the back seats of a...
Okay, and is it sort of a builder's van? Has it never been cleaned in a while, or...?
Yeah, it's pretty dirty. I can send some photos.
What we'll end up doing, we'd have to book you in for a deep clean first, interior deep clean, then it'll be anywhere from £200 to £300. Now, if that's out sort of your price range, then probably won't be the right people for you.
Yeah, okay, perfect. You got a mobile number or what?
Yeah, so it's 07999. What? Lad, you alright? What are you doing in here? Do you need some help? Come here, mate. When you get your new vacuum attachments, the ends are going to be really sharp. So if you nick any bit of plastics or even the leather seats or anything, it's going to leave scratches and marks, and there's no going back from that. So get yourself a bit of sandpaper. Doesn't necessarily have to be specific sort of grit, doesn't really matter. And then all I'm going to do is just round off the edges. Little top tip from me to you guys. Lovely. If I know that it's going to be pissing it down, in the afternoon, I'm going to do the interior in the morning. So I know it sounds a bit daft saying that, but to a lot of people it may go, oh actually that does make sense, because it does, right? That means I have to put the gazebo up or messing about or whatever it is. I generally start with the outside first, get the wet work out of the way, and then move on to the interior. And for valets, vac or wipe, clean, glass, job done. So, and everything, everywhere gets wiped at the absolute bare minimum. If only you do is just wipe it down at bare minimum, then it's going to look 10 times better than if you hadn't. So don't just go, I'm not doing that, I'll just miss that. They won't notice that. Guarantee they will. Very little if no one's really sat in these back seats, because you can tell just by looking at it. As long as you've gone over it though, and that's all it needs, then it's fine, right? There's no point getting my steamer out and going absolutely nuts, because it's pointless, it doesn't need it. How can I help? Okay. Could do next Friday or next Saturday in the morning.
I've got a little problem with that because I'm actually abroad by then.
But when did you say to come back? Is it January?
Yeah.
Can we get it in then for the 17th or 18th?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
For wash times ceramic coating.
Oh, you're a star. Thanks, mate.
Awesome, see you then. In typical British weather fashion, dried the car and now the car's wet because it's obviously rained, hence the waterproofs and the rain. But as always, thanks for watching. If you did like the video, always please give us one of them. I appreciate it massively. If you leave a comment, I will read it and I will reply to it. And if you find this video interesting, you can also check out that, which will be going out on our Instagram. And as always, my favourite bit, if I remember to do it, is the after shots. Good.
I just realised that plates almost eat KFC.
You're funny, man.